For centuries, a special tree has held a secret. Growing tall in India, the neem tree isn't just any tree. It's a source of amazing help for our gardens. This gift? Neem oil. Extracted from the seeds, neem oil is a gardener's best friend. It's natural and keeps our plants healthy and strong. Neem oil has been used for generations. It's a tradition passed down through families. The oil is a powerful protector. It helps plants fight off pesky insects and diseases. And the best part? It's all natural. Neem oil is a bit like a superhero in disguise. It looks like any other oil, with a yellowish color and a somewhat strong smell. But don't let its appearance fool you. This oil is extracted from the seeds of the neem tree, and inside, it holds a secret weapon, azadirachtin. This special ingredient is what makes neem oil so powerful against pests. It's like a natural insect repellent. Azadirachtin works its magic by confusing insects. It interferes with their hormones. It disrupts their growth and makes them lose their appetite. They become lethargic and eventually stop feeding. No more munching on your precious plants. Your garden stays lush and green. But neem oil doesn't stop there. It's not just an insecticide, it also has natural antifungal properties. This means it helps prevent those pesky fungal diseases that can harm your plants. So, whether you're dealing with insects or fungi, neem oil is a versatile solution for a healthier garden. Neem oil is a true friend to your garden. This versatile oil, derived from the seeds of the neem tree, has been used for centuries in traditional agriculture. It offers so many benefits. Not only does it protect your plants, but it also promotes their overall well-being. First and foremost, it's a natural pesticide. This means you can keep your garden free from harmful chemicals. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to this eco-friendly solution. Neem oil is safe for humans, pets, and beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs. Neem oil effectively controls common garden pests. It disrupts the life cycle of insects, preventing them from feeding, breeding, and growing. Aphids, whiteflies, mealybugs, and even spider mites don't stand a chance against this natural powerhouse. Regular application ensures your plants stay pest-free. Neem oil doesn't just protect, it also nourishes. It contains essential nutrients that help plants grow stronger and healthier. It helps improve the overall health of your plants. Healthier plants are more resilient and can better withstand environmental stress. Neem oil can boost their immunity and make them stronger against future attacks. This means fewer problems down the line. Plus, it's a natural fungicide, keeping those pesky fungal diseases at bay. Regular use can prevent issues like powdery mildew and black spot, ensuring your garden thrives year-round. Section 4. Using neem oil, a step-by-step guide. Neem oil is a versatile and natural solution for many gardening problems. In this section, we'll walk you through the process of using neem oil effectively. Using neem oil is easy as pie. With just a few simple steps, you can protect your plants from pests and diseases. First, you'll need to dilute it. Neem oil is very concentrated, so mixing it with water is essential to avoid harming your plants. Neem oil is very concentrated, so mixing it with water is essential. This ensures that the oil is evenly distributed and safe for your plants. A good rule of thumb is to add 2 tablespoons of neem oil to a gallon of water. This ratio works well for most garden applications. Next, choose your weapon of choice, a spray bottle. A spray bottle allows for easy and even application of the neem oil solution. Pour the diluted neem oil into the bottle and give it a good shake. This ensures that the oil and water are well mixed. Now you're ready to mist your plants. Hold the spray bottle about a foot away from the plant and spray evenly. Make sure to coat both the tops and undersides of the leaves. Pests often hide on the undersides, so thorough coverage is important. For best results, apply neem oil in the evening or early morning. This helps to avoid the hot sun, which can cause the oil to evaporate too quickly and reduce its effectiveness. Section 5. A word of caution. Protecting our tiny helpers. While neem oil is a superhero for your plants, it's important to remember our tiny garden helpers, beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs. These little guys are crucial for pollination and natural pest control. To protect these beneficial insects, it's best to avoid spraying neem oil directly on flowers that are in bloom. This will minimize the risk of harming our pollinating pals. Remember, we need them to keep our gardens healthy and thriving. Section 6. Neem oil, your garden's best friend. Neem oil is truly a gift from nature. This versatile oil, with its powerful properties, can make a world of difference in your garden. From repelling pests to preventing diseases and boosting plant health, neem oil is a must-have for every gardener. So, ditch those harsh chemicals and embrace the natural solution. Let neem oil be your secret weapon for a healthy, thriving, and chemical-free garden. Your plants will thank you for it.